guys, welcome back. Today we are checking out new Apple Watch bands because 2020 is a brand new decade. New year, new decade, new year, new watch bands. Sorry, decade jokes will cease in February. Or maybe not. I am a big Apple fan. I even have my trusty little Apple t-shirt with me as I unbox this, so it's kind of great and funny. I've been obsessed with Apple Watch bands ever since I got my Apple Watch last October. I've been eyeing on so many different colors because it was holidays and I was deciding whether I should get it, and I saw new colors being released, so I was like super excited. And so I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna make a video about this and you guys can help me choose. So let's check them out now. So we have here the pine green color, khaki color, the pomegranate color, clementine color, as well as the beryl color. These two are the new colors. I'm just someone who constantly look at new Apple Watches. Ooh! I don't think this unboxing will ever get old, so they always give you two of this thing. I think like pine green is one of my favorite colors. Oh my gosh, it smells like new product. And this is the khaki color. Ooh, this looks like something like super rugged. I didn't actually like this color when I saw it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay, pomegranate is one of my favorite colors because I just like red, and this is a different shade of red. I'm a red person, so wow, okay, in person this has like a purple hue to it. Man, the color looks good. If I decide to return this, I would cry. Clementine. It's also on the warmer side. I love warm colors.
And I like warm hugs.
And like, orange just reminds me of the sea for some reason. Barrel. Whoa. Barrel looks sick. But I feel like you can dirty this so easily because of how light colored this is. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm so blessed to actually see them in front of my eyes and in boxes and review this to you guys. Okay. Is this how I put it on? I have no idea. It fits! Holy, I think I put it on the wrong way. Oh! Actually, the back has like a 40mm thing. You should actually put downwards towards the way you want to wear it. Okay, I'm learning things right now. Pine green is my favorite color. I think it just matches the aluminum finish, and like the color just flushes with each other, and it just reminds me of Christmas. Like the pine trees, hence the name, pine green. I think I would be wearing this for a while, so you guys will see this in my upcoming videos when I post it. This is the khaki color. Ooh, I feel like I'm playing some kind of Call of Duty game, and ooh. I'm kind of like in the middle right now whether I like this or not, but I can see the appeal to it. I feel like this is so meant to be like in the wild. If you're wearing like military colors, this would match so well, but like I don't think I'm such a big fan of it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, we're trying on a pomegranate now. Oh wow, it just looks so pretty. Holy wow. Oh wow, I just love this color so much. I feel like red, warm colors, pink, purple, they are just like my thing, you know? I feel like it might match really well with my phone right here. Does it match? Let me know. Just a different shade of red as compared to this pair. This will be so hard to say goodbye to. It just stands out so much. And plus, I really like pomegranate, so maybe I should keep it. My reasons are just ridiculous. Okay, let's try the clementine color. I'm kind of into pastel color these days. Like, it lightens the mood, kind of. It doesn't feel that heavy. Whoa! Okay, I feel like I'm having too much fun. Like, wearing this makes me feel like, damn it girl, you're having too much fun. But like, I feel like it's a very creative color. That's just what I think, so I can see myself going on the hike with this and saying hi to people. Orange just makes me feel social. It's a fun color that you can wear to the beach. Do I like it? Does it feel like it's me? I feel like it could be me. Gosh, clementine, are you the one? Are you the one that I'll keep? Beryl color. This has a bit of blue and green hint, a very chill beach vibes to it. I'm talking about places that I want to visit, but I haven't visited yet. Oh, damn. Beryl actually looks kind of good on me. Wow, Beryl is beautiful, but for sure, this would get dirty so easily, and knowing myself, this would just get black or get dark. Damn, this is actually sort of beautiful. If you work in a candy shop, Like, this would be such a beautiful... Oh, I feel like it matches the theme of Alice in Wonderland. What do you guys think? Well, that's all for all the bands. I've tried all of them. My favorites are actually this, and like, I'm guessing this. But this is just... Gosh, I know for sure I would dirty it and ruin it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my goodness. It's almost about $600. Oh, and plus this watch here, so it's about $1,000? Wow, Apple is expensive. That's not news, but we're not gonna keep everything. So the reason why I got so many different kinds of watch band, it's like a fashion statement. I don't have a fashion statement. No, but in all seriousness, I feel like the colors represent your mood, your personality, and how you want to show yourself or express yourself. And also because like after staring at one color for so long every single day, you want to change things up, and colors brighten your mood, at least for me. I'm not sure about you guys. So obviously we're not going to keep all of them because it is so expensive. I'm just going to pick 1 or 2 to keep. Let me know in the comments below what you think I should keep. I read your comments, I will reply them as soon as I can. We are reaching 1,000 subscribers soon, so let me know what I can do, what kind of videos you want me to make to celebrate this milestone with you guys. I really am thankful and appreciative. I am up for challenges or just crazy stuff. If you're curious as to what I kept, you can check out my Instagram or Twitter. Drop by and say hi. I definitely would say hi back. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay minty and cheery. Goodbye.